This short video illustrates how to upload a VMET onto SkillMil.com. So you will come to SkillMil.com, either click on login or create an account. I have already created an account. In the account creation, make sure that you fully authorize the email that you created or you told SkillMil to use. Otherwise, it will not properly create your account. Once you go and log in into SkillMil for the first time, you will see these three choices. I'm going to concentrate on VMET upload. I am going to drag your VMET, so I recommend you download your VMET from the website and you have it ready. The VMET has been uploaded. On your profile, you can just choose any tagline that you want to use. I'm just say ready now, location, Menlo Park. Available now. You do want to use a phone number here in order to maximize the benefit of potential jobs and employees reaching out to you. Do you have a security clearance? Yes. Military spouse? No. And then since I say yes to you have a security clearance, I'm going to put DoD top secret add. And here you can either use your LinkedIn or any type of description for yourself. Hit next. I am going to end the tour for the purpose of the demo, but the VMET has been uploaded and now it's ready to be utilized. As you can see, you have the experiences brought in from your military records, your qualifications, your soft and hard skills that came over from the VMET, and those will be utilized on the job matching. Thank you.